All right, second grade. We're going to go over 1.4 using arrays, okay? The learning target is determine the total number of objects in an array. So how many equal groups are there? Write an addition equation to tell how many cars there are in all. So you need to know that this and this, these are called rows, okay? This is how we're going to group. Okay, so side to side is a group. That's one group. And that's two groups, okay? So number of equal groups is 2. Okay? All right, let's go down. Now it says addition equation, okay? I'm not going to use the number 2, okay, because look at how many is in each group. There's 1, 2, 3 in a group, 1, 2, 3 in a group because they're equal. So my addition equation should include how many are in each group. I have 3 in one group, and of course I have 3 in the other group because they are equal. Okay, 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay, all right, let's turn the page. Okay, this right here, this whole thing is called an array. Say array. Good. Okay, now you learned this a second ago. A row goes side to side. Say that. A row goes side to side. A column goes up to down. Say that. A column goes up to down. Now, this is very important that you remember rows go side and side and columns go up and down. If you forget which one is which, this is how I remember it. I think of a house. I'm going to draw a house. You can just watch. Here's my house. And I've got a door. And there's my roof. If you've ever seen a house, it's got these fancy columns holding up the roof. Their column holding up the roof. So here's the columns of a house. Do you notice that they go up and down? See that? Up and down? So columns always go up and down like they're holding a roof up on a house. That's how I remember it. Columns go up and down, and then the rows are opposite. They go side to side. Okay? All right. So this one is 3 rows, 1, 2, 3 rows of how many? 5 in each. So our addition equation is 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. Okay, so this is your example. Let's go ahead and do number 1 together. Okay, it tells you how many rows there are. Remember, this is a row and this is a row. Okay, so 2 rows of how many are in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so our addition equation is going to be how many is in that group? 4. The same amount is in the next one, 4. And 4 plus 4 equals 8. Okay, the next one, we have 3 rows. So they did it for us. 1, 2, 3 rows. Okay, how many is in each row? 4. Good job. Okay, our addition equation is going to be how many is in that one? 4 plus that one. 4 plus that one is 4. Think hard. How many is 4 plus 4 plus 4? Think before I put it down. Ready? All right, you should have said 12. Okay, you could have counted them each by ones all the way up to number 12. Or look at this, you could have covered that up and said 4 plus 4 is 8, right? That's a doubles fact. Add 4 more, you get 12. Okay, so there's different ways to figure it out. Let's do the bottom one, number 3. All right, they don't tell you how many rows, but we know that rows go side to side so we can count them by ourselves. So there's 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows. And how many is in each row? Oh, look at that. 4. How funny. Okay, our addition equation is going to be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. All right, what is the answer to that equation? Think first. All right, ready? Should have said 16. Now you could have just counted them all by ones. This is what I did. I said 4 plus 4, I'm going to put it down here actually, is 8. And I know that 4 plus 4 is 8. And now I have a doubles fact, 8 plus 8. That also equals 16. That's how I figured it out. Okay, all right, let's go on to the next page. All right, again, they don't tell us the rows, but we know rows go side to side. All right, so we know that there are 2 rows and there are 5. So our addition equation is 5 plus 5 equals 10. All right, I'm going to go ahead and do 5, 6, and 7 without talking. So you work on them, and then you can look up to see if you're doing them right. Okay, here's the answers to 5, 6, and 7. Go ahead and pause the video so you can check your answers. Okay, let's go ahead and do number 8 together. It says, logic, which arrays show the same number of circles? Now let's go ahead and fill these in first. There's blanks. So how many rows? 4 of 3. 3 rows of 5. Good job. How many rows? 3 rows of 4. Okay, now let's not count all of them, but let's just think. So which arrays show the same number? Give me a guess. Give me your best guess. Okay, I'm gonna see if you can see something. 4 and 3. If I change that to 3 and 4, is there another one on here that looks just like 3 and 4? This one. What if I change this to 4 and 3? It looks just like the other one. So you should have said those 2. Good job. The backside, the practice is homework.